Hey guys, on today's battle of the breakfast items, I wanted to show you a couple of gadgets that I have in my kitchen that makes it super easy to prepare an awesome breakfast. The first thing I have is this griddle. You can see the large size. It has a really nice little pull-out grease catcher. If you want to cook hamburgers or bacon on it, you just stick it back in there. And the actual temperature can go from warm to 400, so you can cook things really quick. I've been making some pancakes here, and you can see how many I've got on here. You could put easily 8 to 10 pancakes on there, super easily, especially if you made them a little bit smaller. And I love this. So we're gonna have a this or that. And do you like waffles? Because I have the greatest waffle maker. This is a Dash waffle maker. You can see the size of it. It's a perfectly compact waffle maker, makes excellent waffles really fast, and it's great for a little family, or if you want to just make a couple of waffles up, or make a really large batch and freeze them. So here's the waffle. I've already made one. You can super easy to pop out, and there you go. Got a great waffle. Anyway, what would you choose? This or that?